Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you how to use our pure beeswax repair cubes. These cubes are made by us in the workshop each week. We made a mahogany mould, and on that we placed actually a little gilded bee brooch that my wife gave me for our 10th wedding anniversary. Anyway, from there's the mould that we made from that mahogany bee brooch, and there is some gold powder in the bottom there, bronzing powder in the bottom, and we pour each one of these individual cubes, which are great as to repair scratches and marks in furniture, but also as really nice little gifts, I suppose, as well, because each one is wrapped individually. Each pack, there comes in a pack of 3, wrapped individually, and we're plastic free, so all tied together with this raffia ribbon. Anyhow, let's get to it. I'm going to show you how to use these repair cubes today. There's a scratch on top of this little pot cupboard, this Edwardian pot cupboard. A lot of people have this maybe as a bedside cupboard these days. So I'm going to show how quick you can sort of disguise a scratch just by using our repair cubes. They follow the same colours as our waxes, as antique gold, pure gold, and also the rose gold. Right, so the trick is, what we do is, I'm just going to light this little meth burner. You can have a lighter at home, or a candle maybe. I'm just going to warm up the edge of this wax and go straight onto the scratch. I'm not preparing the surface. Don't go near it with wire wool or anything trying to sort of prepare it. You're just going to make a scratch worse. Leave it as it is. I'm just going to scrub it into that area. And then, I mean, you see how quick I've done that. I've used the darker wax there, the antique gold cube, because it's quite a dark piece. It's always best to go a little bit darker than it is lighter. And then using this old credit card, old plastic, sort of like store card really, I'm just going to scrape over the top very carefully, at the same time as forcing the wax into the scratched area. The plastic's very soft and smooth and flexible, so it shouldn't damage the surface. There we go. Wonderful. And then I'm going to use a little bit of buffing cloth and just buff around the area. I'm not going to buff too hard around where the scratch was, but as you can see there, that scratch has virtually disappeared. Now, another thing you could do is, wax this surface then again with the antique gold. So I'd get the wire wool, soft wire wool over the top of here, leave it for 20 minutes and then buff, and that will also help colour down that area and blend this whole area in, so that the scratch has virtually disappeared. And you saw how quick I've done that. It's a really quick process. Anyone can do it at home. Just got a little bit of wax there. I'm just going to buff off. There you go. It's not a really highly skilled thing. We've done all the hard work by creating the wax cubes for you. This is another example of these scratch repair cubes being used. And this is an example of our pure gold going onto an oak worktop that has a scratch just here. But I'm going to mask the area first with some masking tape just to prevent the wax from going in the grain either side. It just prevents the spread of wax. And I'm just going to use a tiny bit of soft wire wool to take off any of the wax shine, because this is quite a matte finish. Very, very gently. And that's it. I don't want to do any more, but I can't see it from here. Now, with light cubes of wax, light repairs like this with the pure gold, even with the other ones actually, with these antique and the rose, when you're working on a surface, a horizontal surface, some angles the scratch or mark or whatever it is you're repairing would have disappeared. But as you walk around the table, suddenly you can see it. There's not much you can do about that. With just the wax cubes, you can't do anything about it. You can colour them after, and there'll be other videos that we're going to produce showing me colouring away repairs, so hopefully to disguise them a little bit better. But horizontal surfaces are quite difficult to do. From my point of view, from here looking at that scratch, it's gone. But another angle, you might be able to see it. But it's better than what it was. Thank you for watching our videos. If you'd like to see more of them, please subscribe. Hit the bottom right of your screen there, and also hit the little bell icon as well, because that will notify you every time that we upload a new video to do with furniture restoration, furniture polishing, wax polishing.